In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer a Squarespace domain to Hostinger. I'll be transferring my domain live, step by step, so you'll see exactly what to do. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to move their domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. Step 1. Access your domain settings on Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Click on your profile icon in the top right, then go to Domains. Here, you'll see a list of all domains registered under your account. In this video, I'm going to transfer my domain, pmntechfix.nl. Click on your domain to open the settings. Now, look for the Domain Lock section. Usually, domain locking needs to be turned off in order to initiate a domain transfer. Many regional registries, such as .nl, Netherlands, do not support domain locking. In those cases, this setting may not appear. That's completely normal and won't stop the transfer. Also, make sure that your domain is at least 60 days old, as most registrars, including Squarespace, require this before allowing transfers. Once confirmed, copy your domain name and we'll proceed to Hostinger. Step 2. Start the transfer process on Hostinger. Head over to hostinger.com and log into your account. Go to the Domains tab and select Transfer an existing domain. This option lets you bring your domain to Hostinger from another registrar, like Squarespace. Before proceeding, ensure your domain is older than 60 days. Domain lock is disabled or not applicable like for .nl. You have access to the Authorization code, EPP code. Paste your domain, e.g. pmntechfix.nl, into the field and click Transfer. Hostinger will check your domain and let you know if it's eligible. It will also show the price, usually around 89 rupees. This may vary depending on the domain extension. Click Continue and complete the payment to start the transfer process. Step 3. Enter authorization code and confirm details. After your payment goes through, go to Domains, Transfers, and click Setup next to your pending transfer. You'll now need to confirm your contact information, enter the authorization code, also called EPP code. To get this code, go back to your domain settings on Squarespace. Scroll down to the section labeled Request Transfer Code and click it. Squarespace will send the EPP code to your email address associated with the domain. This code can take up to 24 hours to arrive, but in my case, it usually comes in a couple of hours. Be patient, check your inbox and spam folders. Once you receive the code, copy it. Step 4. Complete the domain transfer on Hostinger. Back in your Hostinger account, paste the EPP code into the field. Leave the name servers set to default Hostinger name servers unless you plan to use custom DNS. Click Transfer Domain. You'll now see a message confirming that the domain transfer has started. What happens next? The transfer process usually takes 5 to 7 business days. Once it's complete, your domain, pmntechfix.nl, will appear under Domains in your Hostinger dashboard. You can also check the transfer status from this section anytime. And that's how to transfer a Squarespace domain to Hostinger, step by step. Whether you're switching from Squarespace to Hostinger for better hosting, looking for cheaper domain renewal options, migrating your domain for more advanced DNS settings, or just want to connect custom email and hosting features outside Squarespace, this tutorial should cover everything you need. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.